Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video talking about the amazing Midjourney. So in this video, we are going to discuss our first parameter, which is going to be aspect ratio. So that is making sure that we put in the right aspect ratio to get the right size picture that we need. If you're using social media or anything, you just want to make sure that Midjourney generates the image the right size for you to make sure the quality and everything is all there. So I'm going to use the same prompt that I used here because I quite liked it. So what we're going to do is going to do / do our usual. We're going to put the prompt in, and then what we're going to do is do a double dash. We're going to do AR for aspect ratio, and then we're going to put in our aspect ratio. So I'm going to do 16:9, which is full landscape. So let's give that a whirl. Do this, and then we're going to do AR. So then we're going to do 9:16. So we're going to do portrait, and then let's do our imagine. Do that. Let's do AR, and let's do 1:1, which is a square. So let's just see how these come about. Amazing. Okay, so let's have a look. So we have got our 16:9. Here we go. So this aspect ratio is perfect if you are wanting to do thumbnails for YouTube. 16:9 is the aspect ratio that you need. So they look fantastic. And then let's have a look at our portrait. They look brilliant too. Love that you got the tram there. Beautiful lighting as well, got great image of the city as well, that looks awesome. And then we've done our square as well, so we've got lovely colours. I love those in square one, so amazing. So that's just a little tutorial on how to use aspect ratio to make sure that you get the right size image for the project that you need. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys can hit the like button and the subscribe button, it really helps our channel and we do appreciate it so much. I'll see you in the next one.